Open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com to access your Google account settings. Sign in with the Google account you want to manage and complete any two-factor checks if prompted. From the left menu, click Security to open your account security and privacy options. Scroll down to third-party apps with account access and select Manage Third-Party Access. You will see a list of apps and services with the data they can access, such as Gmail or Drive. Click an App Entry to expand details and view the specific permissions and connected devices. To remove access, click Remove Access and then confirm removal in the pop-up dialog. After removal, if the app had wide permissions, consider changing your password and signing out of devices that may still be connected. Repeat removal for any other unrecognized or unused apps to reduce exposure. For extra protection, enable two-step verification from the security page to add an extra layer of authentication. Make it a habit to review third-party access regularly and revoke anything you no longer use. Done. Your selected third-party apps no longer have access to your Google account. Check the description for links and more tips.